Bag contains 5 red and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random. Its color is noted and is returned to the bag. Moreover, 2 additional balls of the color drawn are put in the bag and then a ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the second ball is red? So let's think about putting it across as a flowchart. The first thing is, initially we have a bag which contains 5 black and 5 red. Now, 2 things can happen. So those, yes, either we can get a red ball, we can pick a red ball or a black ball. If you happen to pick a red ball, a person, what they will do is they'll put 2 additional red ball. And here they'll put 2 additional black balls. First is you guys have to understand this. Read through the question, understand this scenario first. Okay. Next, we are answering what is the probability that the second ball is red. So to answer this question, what do we need? What concept, what formula do we need? Yes, we have to make use of theory of total probability. Okay, guys. So what does it tell? Well, if I want an event, if I want to have a favorable event, which is possible from different set of events, we just have to make use of this formula and we'll get the total probability. So in this case, also we can make use of Venn diagram. So along the x-axis, I have your first draw, and along the y-axis, let me kind of put this thoda. This will help. Along the y-axis, we have the second draw. So first pick is this, and that's your second pick. See, there are 2 possibilities and they are equal chances of this happening. That is, you have a red, which are 5 in number, black, which are 5 in number. Once this happens, within this space, there are again different possibilities. So we have this space being red and here this space being red. That is, this is red and this would be black. This is red and this would be black. So here we have 5 of them. We have 7 of them. Here we have 7 of them and here we have 5 of them. Does it make sense? Okay. Right. So we have, as per theory of total probability, us getting a red overall, there are 2 possibilities. One is us getting a red in the first draw into probability that we'll get a red in the second draw, given we already have got a red in the first draw. And the other possibility is we get a red or black in the second draw. And then we have black in the first draw, my bad. Black in the first draw, this two are first draws, and red in the second draw, and when we have black in the first draw, given we have a black in the first draw. So this is the entire total probability being added or used over here. So please understand this screen, you're pretty much done. Everything after this is substitution. So let me repeat. So the question is quite simple. Red and black, drawn, put back. That situation is presented over here. And then this diagram is important. This gives a clear picture. So out of 10 balls, 5 are red and 5 are black. So 50-50 chances that any of this can happen. Once this happens, within this space, the second pick happens, right? So if we are going with red, so we have 7 red and 5 black. If you happen to pick black at the first, we have 5 red and 7 black. And now as per theory of total probability, so we have probability of red is equal to probability of red in the first row, so on and so forth. So all we have to do now is make use of probability of our favorable event is nothing but number of outcomes in a favorable event divided by number of elements in the sample space. Then probability of B with respect to given A is probability of B intersect A divided by probability of A. So making use of this set of formulas, we just have to, therefore probability of us getting a red is, okay, red in the first row is half, right? Or we can go with 5 by 10. And this particular thing, intersection, so let's see the intersection. Us getting a red, so this entire space, in that we have the red. So this is 7 by how much? Total 12. 7 by 12. Okay, you guys can use this also, remember. So we have n of p intersect a divided by n of a. I'm using that directly. Okay, and then we have 5 by 10 again. Probability of choosing a black. And in that space, out of 12 possible events, we have 5 events which are red. So this is a simple set of calculation. So this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 7 by 24, 5 by 24. So 12 by 24 is what you will get. So overall, 50% chance that the second row will have an outcome of red. Okay, again, this entire thing depends on this diagram. If you get this diagram properly, formula though you guys know, and then drawing the items from the diagram, you're done.